Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. So, guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator to do my analysis. Okay, so GainX 1200 actually got to this support zone. Let me show you. It got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there. So he tried to go back on uptrend, but for some days now, for like 2 days now, it has been playing around here within this channel, just the way you are seeing it. Today it tried to break out above it, but right now it has gotten into the channel again. Okay, so we will have to wait for it to break out above it fully before we can say it's going to buy fully. Okay, but for now it has gotten into the channel again, and let's see what we will I mean achieve with this. Okay, but for now, this is selling at the moment. But once it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to go on full uptrend, or it's most likely for it to go on full uptrend by then. Okay, so for now, this is still selling at the moment until the pullback is over. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out. This is GainX 999, and I'm still on 15 minutes time frame. Just where we are seeing it, this had been on downtrend right from here, and I think it has started a new trend right from here. Okay, so I missed the starting. Okay, so for those that are seeing this video right now, this is a good entry opportunity for you guys. Okay, so that should be your stop loss. Okay, so this should have been your entry point, but it has started already, and you can see if there is a pullback and see if you can jump into the trade right from there. We have more opportunities to milk at the top right there. Okay, so you can wait for the pullback before you jump into it. So this is giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going, I mean, is actually 1000. I mean, Pnex 1200. Pnex 1200 had been on uptrend for a very long time. It actually started from here, and of course it broke out above the resistance zone at this point to give us more buying opportunity. And just where we are seeing this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out Pnex 999. So guys, this is Pnex 999. Okay, this is Pnex 999. We are also on 15 minutes time frame. So the journey actually started from this resistance zone, and it broke out below this support zone at this moment. And as you can see, this is still selling. It has gotten to a new support zone. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is FX volume 80. We started the uptrend of this particular asset, I think about 2 days ago, right from here. And just where we are seeing it, it has achieved all our TPs, and it is still buying, guys. It is still buying, just where you are seeing it. It broke out from the resistance zone, bought in this region, had a pullback, and broke out again. And of course, it's still buying. So this is still more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, it is still more of a buying opportunity. The only reason why it will no longer buy is if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then we are most likely to have a switch in the direction of the trend at that particular point. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.